John. This is a testimonial for nonaciddraincleaner.com. John, what happened with your experience with drain punch and then today?
Alright, so my name is John and I work for Colony Management. Let me tell you a little story about me. I am not a big fan of chemicals. I usually just snake the drain or try to plunge it out. And I was introduced to this product, Drain Punch, about a year ago, and it sat in my shop for a few months until I decided I wanted to try it out. But I tried it out the first time, worked perfectly. Second time, took a little longer to use. But this morning I had a drain clog. It was a tub on the first floor, and I literally filled the tub up and decided to open the bottle of Drain Punch, poured it down there. Roughly 15 seconds, the water just swirled and the clog was gone. Am I a firm believer? Yes. I believe in Drain Punch.
Thank you, John.
No problem.